What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. For those of you guys that are my red pill brothers that are still out in the field, that are interacting with women, this video will be very insightful and informative to you guys. And if you are thinking about possibly interacting with women in the near future with this new awareness, hopefully this video is insightful for you as well. We're going to be talking about the domino effect. Now, just like how one domino knocks over another domino, which knocks over another domino, which knocks over another domino, the same thing can be said when you are a man that is on your purpose, that is high value, and you start to attract women. You start to attract one woman, then that one woman starts to attract other women. Then those other women that you are currently with attract more and more women. This is what we call preselection. I like to call it the domino effect, but we're going to be talking about the 4 main reasons why having a woman attracts other women. Why is this? Why is the domino effect? Why is preselection a thing? And why are you starting to notice this now that you're beginning to level up your own lifestyle? Why are more women being attracted to you? The first reason why having one woman or other women attracted to you attracts other women is because women can sense when you're interacting and when you're dealing with other women. There's an aura about yourself. There's a way you carry yourself. There's a way you walk, talk, and move around other women. And other women pick up on the fact that, hey, this guy's not very desperate for attention. He's not really needy. He's not looking around. You see these thirsty guys at the gym constantly going like this, just head on a swivel, looking at this ass, that ass, all over the place, not even focused on what they're doing, because those guys are in a scarcity mindset. A man that is in abundance with women keeps his head focused. He carries himself like, hey, take it or leave it. I got one waiting for me back at the crib. I got one waiting for me over here, over there. I'm not in scarcity. I know that if one woman leaves me, or if no women are attracted to me in this place, I'm dealing with other women. So if this woman doesn't give me the time of day, I don't even care. I'm not even checking for her because my needs are already being met. So a man that is pre-selected and is dealing with other women will be less interested in conversation with women and won't be as needy, won't be as thirsty. He won't have that thirsty look like a depraved animal that just needs a bite of meat, like a lion in the savannah that hasn't eaten for days and just has that look of just, oh, I just want to eat something. He's not going to look like that. He's going to be cool, calm, and collected, laid back, have a take it or leave it attitude, and carry himself like a man in abundance. Number 2, when a woman knows you have a girlfriend, it makes you more desirable. No one wants to go to an empty restaurant. No one wants to go see a movie that no one else is watching. No one else wants to watch a TV show that isn't popping, that they haven't heard noise about, that no one's talking about at work. People want to go and interact with and be with things and participate in things and incorporate things in their life that others have already pre-selected, that other people have already tried and tested out and enjoyed. The same reason why you wouldn't go to an empty restaurant, but you would be willing to wait for 30 minutes to go to a nice steakhouse like Ruth Chris. You want to know what all the fuss is about. You want to hear if the rumors are true, if the food is good. The same thing applies to women. Women want to test out, they want to try, they want to ride certain men and test them out because other women have already chosen that man to test out. And if that man is in a relationship, that means he's already checked off all the requirements that are needed to be a long-term partner or boyfriend or husband, therefore making him more desirable to other women because he already has proven himself to be desirable in a committed relationship, whether it's short-term or long-term. Either way, a woman found him attractive enough, desirable enough to commit to him and display the qualities that, generally speaking, all women find attractive, or most women find attractive. The third reason is women are addicted to competition. When you're a man and you have a woman or other women that you are dealing with and you are entertaining or interacting with another woman and she knows that you have a girlfriend or other women that you're interacting with and you're giving her the time of day, the attention, this is going to give her a huge ego boost because she understands you already have women or a woman you're dealing with, yet you're giving her the time of day and you're talking to her and you're validating her. So in her mind, because you're entertaining her and validating her through conversation, she's going to think that she is better than the woman or the women that you are dealing with. Women are extremely competitive. They're constantly competing to have the highest value man entertain them, sleep with them, and validate them, which is why you see mistresses from Tiger Woods, Donald Trump, you name it, celebrities that know that the man is married bragging openly about sleeping with that man and having a relationship with that man and being his best, or being the woman that he opened up to the most. Because when it comes to competition with women, they couldn't care less about if that man's in a relationship. These mistresses and women that sleep with men, knowing that these men are in relationships, couldn't care less, because it still boosts their ego, because in their mind they're thinking, wow, I'm higher value as a woman than that other woman that he is with, and therefore if I can pull this man, then I can pull any man, and I'm better than that woman. See, guys, it's a hierarchy game within the female community. Whether it's good or bad press that this woman is sleeping with a man that is married or in a long-term relationship or has a woman, that woman that is choosing to sleep with that married man, that taken man, couldn't care less, because she feels in her mind that she is better, and she is willing to maybe look bad in the eyes of other people or in the eyes of the press, as long as it strokes her own ego as a woman, when she feels like she's able to get validation and attention from a man that is already with a woman. So in conclusion, although this type of attention might feel really good in the moment, you have to realize that a woman like this really isn't into you, okay? She is into the feeling you give her, and more so, the attention that you give her. She's into that quick thrill. And she's more so into the fact that it's boosting her confidence that she can pry you away, or a little bit of your attention, from your woman or from other women, and that she feels like for that short moment or that short period of time that she is number one on at least one man's mind, which happens to be you. Women like this view you as a man like a new toy, all right? When you first get a new toy, you love it, you can't wait to play with it, you can't wait to unwrap it, you can't wait to actually see what it does. But then once that's over, once the thrill's over, once you get it out of the wrapping and you've played with it a few times, well, you're done with it. You figured it out. There's no more mystery to it. Well, the same thing happens with women like this. Once you give them that attention, once you give them that validation that they were looking for, and they're done getting that attention from you and seeing how far you will go, they'll discard you, and they're on to their next thrill. They're on to their next married man, their next man that's in a long-term relationship or a short-term relationship or has a girlfriend. You see, women like this, they've already figured you out, so you're boring to them. So entertaining a woman like this, giving her non-sexual attention and validation through conversation or just hanging out with her, while it might feel good to receive that attention at first, it's all about boosting her ego and giving her as much attention and validation, because a woman like this feels like she's better than other women if she's able to take you from your woman. Which is why I tell you guys, you need to focus on building yourself up. Instead of entertaining attention-seeking temporary women, you should be building up and working on your craft, developing new skills, new hobbies, and things that can build you a kingdom in the future. So I hope this video was insightful for you. If you enjoyed this content and you want to see more content like that, be sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any more uploads. Have you noticed pre-selection? Have you experienced the domino effect? Once you have a woman, other women are attracted to you. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. And until next time, have a blessed rest of your day.